Hello there, and thank you very much for joining me. My name's Paul, and today I've got one of our Ford Transit Customs. I'm going to take you on a quick walk around, show you some of the features and the benefits that this fantastic vehicle has got to offer you. Now, first thing to point out, as with all of our used vehicles, this vehicle's undergone and passed a 128-point AA inspection. Now, having passed that inspection, the vehicle comes with a standard 3 months AA covered warranty. That covers you for everything mechanical and electronic. And if you do wish to, you can upgrade that warranty to 1, 2 or 3 years at your discretion. Breaking it down a little bit, 3-year extended warranty is reduced to $599, so on a 5-year finance deal, such as a higher purchase plan, it's going to work out £10 per month, which is what it costs for me to insure my mobile phone. On top of that, you've got 1 year's AA roadside assistance that we're throwing in completely free of charge. That's good for one call out in the year. Now again, you can upgrade this one to unlimited call outs merely for an additional £1 per month. On top of that, we have applied a triple air Guard-X treatment to the vehicle. That's a paint protection pack. That's going to give you some protection against any negative effects of things like UV from sunlight, acidity in rainwater, or anything at all that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to this vehicle's lovely finish. Now with this vehicle, it's a 2-litre diesel. It's a limited edition spec, and you've got a lovely premium blazer blue paint on there. Since the limited edition spec, lots and lots of extras. Parking sensors there, you can see on the front bumper, you've got them on the rear as well. Fog lights, so if you're driving in diminished visibility conditions, it's going to make that much safer for you. You've got those lovely LED daytime running lights running around the headlight clusters that house those lovely powerful xenon headlights. Now looking at the front there, the sides, you see you've got colour-coded bumpers and trims, colour-coded mirror housings on those power fold mirrors. You've also got the Ford alloy wheels. They come with the limited editions as well. There's your parking sensors there on the rear bumper. On the back, you've got those lovely large barn-style doors, so maximum access to the back of the vehicle. And on the side, you've got a lovely large sliding door on the near side of the vehicle. Also on the near side, between that sliding door and the passenger door, is where you've got your diesel and AdBlue filler ports. So lots and lots going on there. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so looking into the payload area now, this is an L2H2 size van. You've got 174 centimetres from the floor to the bottom of the lights on the ceiling there. You've got 129 centimetres between the wheel arches, and then from the bulkhead all the way to the back, you've got a massive 285 centimetres of decent usable storage length. Bottom left of the bulkhead, you've got a little flap that lifts up down there. That's going to give you an additional 45 centimetres below the passenger seats, and an additional 45 centimetres above the cab just at the top of the bulkhead there, and that's good for up to 20 kilos of weight. As we mentioned, you've got those LED clusters there in the top, 4 super bright LED clusters. They're going to give you lots of light if you're working in low light conditions. The vehicle itself has also been ply-lined, as you can see, so lots of protection for the van itself. If anything should slip or fall, the van is not going to take any damage as a result. That said, you've also got loads of harnessing points. If you need to tie anything down for stability or safety, it's going to be very, very easy for you to do so. Now your doors do open out and lock out to 90 degrees. However, you can undo those check straps on the doors if you need them open further for any reason at all, and that's going to allow you to open those doors to 180 degrees. So lots and lots of functionality there for you, lots of different usabilities for you. Let's have a look in the cab. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, lots and lots of storage room, as you can see in those door channels. Electronic central locking, electronically controlled windows and mirrors. Now, as we've said, they are power fold mirrors, so I'm just going to pull backwards on that mirror control lever there. That pulls them in for us, and once more to open them out. Now, before we step inside, let's just have a quick look at the seats. So 3 adjustable headrests for maximum convenience there. Pull down hard surface there, the picnic table. That's really useful for any invoicing, billing or journal entries. You've also got a pull down armrest there for added convenience for the driver. Along with underneath that, the wheel there, which is the lumbar support for the driver's seat. So lots and lots of conveniences already. You've got the tilt adjuster for the base and the backrest of the driver's seat, and the height adjuster as well there. Since it's a limited edition, you've also got automatic headlights included with this vehicle as well. Stepping up now, and just looking either side of the vehicle, you've got a bottle holder and a cup holder at each extreme. Cup holder in the center that pulls out from underneath the gear stick. Nice large glove box, storage all the way along the front of the dash with a 12-volt charging point and a USB point behind the steering wheel, in addition to the ones just to the side of the gear stick. So, starting the van up, so clutch down. Now, as you see, the vehicle starts up nice and easy first time. First of all, we're going to have a quick look at that dash display there. No warning lights at all, which is perfect. 27,000 miles on the clock as well. Nice, easy to read, crystal clear display, and lots of functionality on there. Lots of different options for that central screen. You've got different conveniences and assists there. Lots and lots of options in there for you. Just to go through those, I'm using the joystick on the right side of the steering wheel there. Underneath that, you've got options for voice controls, track controls and hands-free calling. Your volume controls are on the opposite side underneath the cruise control options. Got a nice sports style steering wheel as well. Indicators are controlled on the stalk on the left there, wipers on the stalk on the right. Moving over to the gear stick, 6-speed manual gearbox to go with the 2-litre diesel engine in the vehicle. You've got traction control option, driving modes option as well there. Automatic stop start is also included. Now with this version of the vehicle, limited edition, looking at your climate controls, 3-stage heated seats included, heated front windscreen, heated mirrors, and aircon is also included as well. Moving up from there, you've got the large screen, touch screen media system as well. DAB radio is included, as you can see there. The option to connect phones via Bluetooth. Now it's really useful for any hands-free calling, or if you want to stream media from your phone through your radio. You've also got options for Apple Play and Android Auto. So if you use one of the USB points, you can mirror your device onto this screen. Really useful if you're using anything like the Waze sat-nav app, Apple Maps, anything at all like that. Also got the emergency assistance option. That's something I would hope you would never ever need, but really nice to have that there as a safety feature just in case. So as you see, everything's finished off to a really nice standard. Really well designed, really stylish, very comfortable, lots and lots of space in the cab as well for you. So that is our L2H2 Ford Transit Custom in Blazer Blue Limited Edition. Fantastic van, loads and loads of features and benefits for you and your business. So if there's anything we can do to assist with a purchase, if you wish to discuss one of our fantastic personalised finance deals, please feel free to let us know, and it will be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Aside from that, thank you very much for your time today. Have a fantastic day ahead, and we'll look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye now.